Samoa's best medal prospect for the London Olympics has suffered a major setback. Weightlifter Ele Opolonge has caught the chicken pox. Her trainer, Tuao Pepe Jerry Woolwork, says it's put her a week behind on her training. In June, she also suffered a bout of typhoid during the Commonwealth and Oceania Champs, but still went on to win gold. Ele is a 2010 Commonwealth Games gold medalist and placed fourth at the Beijing Olympics.
We're joined now by the President of Samoa's National Olympic Committee, No'o Leati No'o Tapasu Langwai. Thank you, No'o, for joining us on the programme. It must have been a big shock to the team and also for Ele Opolonge to find out she's got the chicken pox, especially for, you know, her great lead-up for the Olympics. First of all, she's still definitely going to the Olympics, is she?
Yeah, just had the final update this afternoon, Maramba, and she is fine. And in Samoan, we have a saying for that. If I can say it in Samoan, I said, "Tomua fale tonu e mulmuliane manguia." So it means that you know, there will be some setups or setbacks in just before an event, but in the end, they will come out definitely all right. So we have a Samoan saying in that, which is, I think, it's a blessing in disguise, Maramba. And the team are all in good spirit. We're all looking forward to be part of the biggest event ever in the world, and Samoa will be very happy to be part of these games.
And so, for Ele herself, has it put her, you know, back on her training, or how has she been mentally as well, coming up to with this illness just now?
Well, according to the report today, I've asked the coach 3 times, and he said that she's back to normal, which is I trust him, and I take it from that.
I understand that you've given out the gears to all the athletes this afternoon. Who else is going to represent Samoa? What are they competing in?
We already have 3 athletes in Northwest England training at the moment. One is from judo, that's Arlene Smith. The other one is from Taekwondo, that's the girl, Tajina Crowley. And our archery, she's Maureen Jumelifano. The people that will be joining later is Kaino Thompson from, he's competing for Taekwondo. Ele Opolonge, of course, from weightlifting, and also Tofitu of weightlifting. Rudolph and Emmanuel from Auckland will join us in Auckland on Sunday. And Rudolph is competing in canoeing, and Emmanuel is competing in athletics.
How do you think the rest of the team will go?
Marama, 5 of our athletes have already earned their requirements to be true Olympians. As you know, that the Olympics being 5 rings, 5 regions of the world, and Oceania is one of them. And 5 of them have gone through qualification rounds, and they have earned the right to be part of the Olympics. 3 other athletes, that's Tofitu, Rudolph, and Emanuele, were picked from the IFs, not just a wild card, but just because of the performance. Unfortunately, they just missed out on their qualifying achievements.
And we're just wondering, everyone will be watching the opening ceremony. Who will actually be carrying the flag for Samoa?
Okay, so you can guess. Ele at the moment is currently number 3rd, number 4th in the world, and most likely it is a tradition to every country that you put your best athlete to be a flag bearer. And already we have nominated Ele to be the flag bearer for Samoa.
Well, all the best for the team in London. We hope Ele gets better soon. Thank you, No'o, for joining us on the show.